What's up, you guys? Eddie at Fliptroniks. So I'm going to be talking about how you can make money with inbox dollars fast. Okay, so inbox dollars is definitely my go-to app for a points to cash app. I've been using it now for the last 2+ years, and I've definitely made some good money with it. So as I'm talking about it, I'll have a link down there if you guys want to sign up to check it out, but I'm going to show you that I've got a juicy $354 in the account. Now, I'm going to talk about some of the different ways you can actually earn on this app, some of my favorite ways, and then how you can kind of ramp things up, to make consistent money with it every month. Okay, so you can check out offers on here, watch videos, use the built-in search engine, refer friends, play games, take surveys, and download apps. Now, the two best ways to earn on here are obviously going to be referring friends. If you have any kind of following that you can promote it to, you can definitely make money that way, kind of like I'm doing right here. But I actually do like this app a lot, for the reason that the surveys are good on it, but really, the best part of inbox dollars for me is definitely the games that they have to offer. Now, the games on here are actually really good. So instead of playing games from the app or Play Store, you can play a lot of them on here, and you can really just kind of rack up points this way. And the game that I've very much become addicted to is Pet Hop, and this is just one of the games on here. So really, it comes down to putting time in on the app in order to really earn on it, but it is very easy. I mean, the games on here, they're actually really fun, definitely comparable to a lot of what you can find, like I said, on the app and Play Store. And you might as well just load this up, and start playing with it. But really, also, I gotta say that the best way to make fast money, using inbox dollars, is to be consistent with it. I mean, you can't just use the app for a couple days or a week or even a month. You gotta keep using it, day after day, month after month, promoting it, playing it, doing stuff on the app. And, I've seen that you can make pretty consistently anywhere from 50 to 150 a month with it. Now, if you want to take things further, for me, I've had some really good months using this app, but I do refer it to people as well. But I'm kind of just getting to the point here that you can actually make money with it, and then you can cash out via a check. They also have like gift card options on the app. But I showed you my my juicy $354 that I really just haven't got around to cashing out. I'm gonna at some point, but I'm gonna see what I can get my high score up to right here, because I'm definitely gonna try to get it. I think my high score on here is like around 100. Honestly, I've played this game quite a bit. Right now I'm at 24. Ooh, that was pretty quick right there. Picked up a coin, which is, oh my god, did I just get squished right there? Oh man, that was sick. All right, so anyways, that's really all you guys got to do on here is just do the stuff they have to offer on it. I'm just going to show you that juicy amount that I got in here right now. Like I said, it's $354 that I haven't even cashed out, and I do make money with this app without much effort, honestly, at this point. But it is still a good app, you know what I mean? So as far as the points to cash app goes, I think inbox dollars is one of the best right now. So I'll have a link down there if you guys want to check it out. If you have any questions about using inbox dollars, you can message me below in the comments. If you could hit the like and share on this, I'd definitely appreciate it. If you haven't subscribed to the channel yet, hit that subscribe, and we'll see you guys in the next one.